So actually the pages is, as the name implies, roughly a pager is a piece of software that helps the user to get the output one page at a time by getting the size of rows of the terminal and the displaying the many lines. Suppose you have like 100 or 200 words of a document, but you don't want to see all of them together. You want to see the page by page. So for that we can use the more command so that we can see all of them in the page by page, and we also the less command. So let me give a demonstration for you. Before that, let me copy just some text from the lorem. Okay, so let me just go to the website, and if I copy this whole website text and come here, and let's see where I am right now in the Dhaka. So let me create a demo file in here, demo.txt, and the text is the extension like in which format you want to create a file. You can create a png, jpg, and the csv, any for extension you want. Enter. So right now I want to write this one, so let me just use the cat command for now because it's simple and easy. Okay. Demo.txt, hit enter. So I just paste the text that I copied, so I paste it. See, there's lots of text. It's a quite hassle to read all of them, so let me save it. Okay, so if I want to see all of the text, what I can do, cat, then the file name. See, there's a lot of text. I have to scroll down, then scroll up to read all of them. So instead of that, what we can do, let me clear it. We can use the more command. Using the more, then the then the file name, the demo.txt, hit enter. See, now it just started from here, and it only showed me up until this point. See, there's more 42%, meaning there is more content we can read. So this is a one page content. So if we want to go to the next page, what I can do, I just have to enter the space. If I enter this space, see, now there's more 80%, like the 80% has been read it, that been loaded in the screen. Then if I hit enter again, then see, now the last page, and I just got out from this more command. So by this way, if you want to also read it line by line, you can use the lace command. So if you the lace, then the file name, hit enter. See, right now I'm just showing this this up to this one, right? So if I want to see the next line, what I can do, I just hit the this in keyboard, there's a down arrow icon. If I just click on here, see, there's one line. Again, see, it's just coming by one by line. So I can also read it by one line at a time by using this command. After that, you have been read the whole thing, you just have to press q, then it will be logged out from here. So this is how you can use the more and less command to see the whole lot of content more easily in a page way.